Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for a Cooperative Bank credit card online. So first we're going to go to our browser and search for Cooperative Bank UK. So once we're in their official website, we're going to click on credit cards and loans and click on balance transfer credit card. You guys could also choose any other credit cards. So here they're going to show you every information about their cards, their interest rates, features of their balance credit cards, what they charge for these credit cards. So you guys should read them through. They also tell you the requirements you need. So you guys should read this. Then once you confirm that you're relevant for this credit card, you're going to click for apply for balance transfer credit card. Then they're going to guide you through this page where they're going to check your eligibility criteria. So you guys should click on all 6 boxes if you guys want to create the credit card. Since this is their eligibility criteria checker, then click on start. So here you're going to fill out your credit limit request that allow from 500 up to 15,000 pounds. So insert your credit limit and click on next. So they're going to start your application. You're going to insert your personal details and other account details as well. Then once you're done, you're going to click on continue and they're going to confirm your credit card request. So this is how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.